Okay, so welcome back again. So today live is one of the Docker series. Alright. So I think this is the last lab. So the final lab. Okay, let's read here some instructions. An issue has arisen with a steady website running in a container named Matalius on App Server 1. To resolve the issue and investigate the following details. So we have to, I think we got to go to the app server 1, and the first step is check that containers volume. So the containers volume is here with this directory is for container volume is correctly mapped with the host volume. So this is host volume on our machine. This is our Docker container volume. So we have to check for sure like it is connected with the uh, Docker container volume and host volume each other. So we have to make for sure. And this first step. The second step is like this status was be accessible or host port 8085 on app server 1. So confirm that the command line with this typing on this terminal. So the first step we will go to the app server 1. So app server 1 username is Tony, right? Tony STAPP01. So I say yes. So we will copy the password. So the password is Ironman, right? So I copy and I paste here. So alright, so let's do the for the first step, the first challenge. So let me check Docker. Do we have Docker already? So we already have the Docker. So and do we check the Docker container using this command docker ps -a. So now Matalius Docker container is already installed and already configured here, but the state is existed. So that means that the container is not running, no longer running anymore. So we have to make it start. So for sure we can check the Docker port Matalius Matalius container. So we don't see anything, right? Because it's not running. And for details, we can use this command line docker inspect Matalius. Alright, so we definitely saved all detail oriented here the metadata, and here you see the state is existed. So we're gonna have to do for our start, and here is the force that we go down, and here we will see some port bindings here. So here port binding is 80 TCP. This is the host size of the Docker container. This is the host port of our machine host size. So here it's already connected is with a correct number 8085. So we don't need to fix this. So that's definitely okay. So but the only thing we have to fix is we have to start the Docker, right? So Docker start with this for this the Docker container name, right? Sure. So this time we will check this command. So here TCP port is connected with this 8085 host port. One more time we will check for this spot. So this time the data is different. I think so. Yeah. So this time the data is sorry, no, it's not the old one. Where is the new one? Yeah, here this data is running, right? So that's true. So okay. So finally here we can check for the for accessing the website using this command line. So let we check it. I think we have to see some test here. Welcome to execution code industry. So that's me. We finished for this lab. So finally we will check for the final step. Yeah, so we succeeded. So we are done here right now. Okay, I will stop for this lab right here. Okay, see you in the next video. I will catch you in the next one. Alright, so thanks for watching.